Hello, is this ABBISHEK workshop?
Yeah, this is Abhishek. How can I assist you today?
Hi ABBISHEK, I got an issue with my car. I'm hearing metallic sound wherever I go over bumps.
Sound like something might be loose or damaged. Do you notice it when you brake, or is it only when you hit the bumps?
It's only when I hit bumps, but it sometimes happens even on smooth roads. Sound like something is scraping.
That could be something with your suspension. Do you feel anything strange when you drive?
Not really. Everything else seems fine, but I'm worried it might be something serious.
No problem. If you can bring it today, I will be take a look. It might take a bit to figure out.
Great, I'll be over in about 30 minutes.
A few minutes later.
Hi Abhishek, I got my car new.
Oh, nice to see you, bro. So, what is the problem? Tell me about the noise that you are hearing.
So starting last week, I think just a small issue, but longly I heard it loud clicking, metallic cracking noise. So I don't know what is going on, so I hope you can check it.
Okay, let's look under it. So I think that will be the suspension or the exhaust problem, because those are the common cause to make the noise. I don't think so. Here's the problem. So let's see for the exhaust. Okay, bro. So now I already checked the exhaust and the suspension. So let's go for the test drive.
So bro.
So this is the noise that you're saying, bro?
Yeah.
So, bro, after the drive, I can feel that the suspension is the cause for the noise. So let me check it out now. Yeah, here got some cracky sparks. So I think that is the cause for the metallic noise.
So it's something to fix it.
Yeah, bro, definitely you must fix we must replace the pipe there, because it could maybe cause other parts to be damaged, and it will be make more noise while driving.
I hope it wasn't to take so long to wait. So fix it.
So I think it will be an hour to fix it. So it's not the major thing to repair, but you must give some time for me to repair. Don't worry, bro. I will repair it. Okay, bro. Now I'm going to repair first. Okay, bro. Now it is repaired. I think it will be okay now. So test and drive.
Okay. Bro. ABBISHEK, problem is again, it's coming back. But it's not loud as before, but still when you go over the bump.
Oh yeah, bro. But that day I repair all the exhaust and everything. But the noise is very tricky lah. We don't know where's the noise coming from. So sorry for that. So let me check it back. Looking back. Oh, it seems like the engine screw is not, the battery and the engine screw is not tight, bro. It's loose. That is the reason for the sound.
Is this stick serious?
It's not so terrible, but we have to replace the new one lah. But it will be cost higher from your budget, bro.
Never mind, you just do it. I want this thing to stop.
Yeah. So give me a few hours to repair this, and then I think our problem is solved. So now I already fixed all, bro. So I'm pretty sure there will be no more sound lah. So,
Okay, so how much the total for the motor service?
so the total is really for normal customer I give for 170. So you are my friend, so I give for 150 lah, bro.
Okay.
Can lah.
The
Thank you, bro. No more sound lah.
Yeah, okay.
If anything means you come back again.
Yeah, okay.